Today's encounter starts quietly, but don't let that fool you. What begins as a casual revisit outside a police station turns into a tense, witty, and at times downright confusing exchange between an auditor and officers who just aren't sure what to make of him. Keep watching, because things get weird fast.
Redditch. I know. Yeah.
You said you write down some regis, Poppet.
Huh? Pop it?
Yeah, are you writing down some regis for people's cars?
What do you mean?
Are you, when people are going in,
Yeah.
are you writing down something as they're going in?
Who told you that?
We've seen you. Police have seen you.
Which police?
Police officers. Apparently, when people are driving in, you're writing down people's registrations.
Oh, right.
So obviously that looks a bit suspicious to us because obviously some people drive their personal cars into here.
All right.
So I've come out just to have a chat to see what's going on, that's all.
You should just tell them to come up with a bike.
Come out with a bike?
Yeah.
Who to come out with a bike?
The ones that are worried about their cars.
Why are you writing down people's registrations?
I never said I did. But what I'm saying is, if they are worried about them, just cycle to work.
But they can drive their personal cars into our car park.
Yeah, but if they're worried about it, they should cycle.
Okay, so what are you actually doing here, sir?
You say they've got these electric bicycles now. They're about 1,000, 1,200. We can get to work with them. They're blue as well. You can get them in blue.
So what's the purpose of you writing down people's registrations?
I never said I write people down registrations.
So why are you hanging around here, may I ask? Are you waiting to report something to police? Are you getting picked up? Do you live around here? Do you walk in this way?
Oh, no, none of that.
So why are you stood outside the front of the police station?
It's a fire station as well, you know.
Yeah, so I'm just asking what you're doing, that's all.
Oh, just giving you advice about cycling to work.
Yeah, there is a
At the
cycle.
moment.
There is a cycle to work scheme.
Is there?
There is a cycle to work scheme.
Oh.
We can do it.
Fast forward, and now a new officer steps in, suspicious that the auditor might be writing down license plates. This part is fascinating because it highlights the paranoia of surveillance reversed. Cops are used to observing the public, but when the lens turns on them, suddenly they feel watched. What do you think? Fair or overreaction?
Otherwise I would. That's why I go to the gym. That's why I exercise, because I want to keep fit.
So which
but I
one-
can't cycle to work.
Which one is your car?
No, I don't need to tell you that.
Why not?
Because I don't need to tell you my personal car registration.
All right. Oh, well. In that case, the only choice you have is maybe to move over to Redditch, buy a house in Redditch, and.
Alright, if people want to drive to work, that's their personal choice, sir.
Okay.
Okay?
No, I know. But what I'm saying is, you said some people are worried about their cars. I'm just trying to explain to you. Maybe you should tell them to cycle to work.
Yeah, but it's more the picture of, you're obviously more than welcome to film, photograph, whatever you want.
All right.
I'm sure you know how it works in terms of being on public land.
All right.
That fence is a no access zone. If you're seen writing down regis,
I didn't.
you are free to do that to your heart's content, but it just looks strange at a police station that you're trying to collect information. If they're personal vehicles, as part of the Human Rights Act, everybody has the right to a private personal life. So even though our car, it might be parked in there, it doesn't necessarily mean it's right, nice, that sort of thing, to start writing down people's regis.
So quick question.
People don't really like the police.
Now the female officer tries to humanize the force, talking about personal lives and private cars. It's an important reminder. Behind the badge, they're people too. But the auditor flips it, questioning why the public's trust is so low. This exchange is pure gold, respectful yet thought-provoking. Like exactly why audit videos attract millions of views.
Yeah,
I like you. That's good.
I like you.
Yeah, thank you. Well, what it is, I didn't say I did.
No, you haven't.
But say, for example, if I did, is that an issue?
No.
So why are you here?
No, it's it's just concerning, isn't it? It's just want to know your intentions and why. If you,
Oh.
you haven't said that you are writing it down, but it's just we'd like to know your intentions of why you were writing it down. If you haven't, then you haven't.
If I did, is that a problem?
No. You're more than free to, mate. It's just like I said. If that then starts getting spread around, it can be sort of like data protection breach. It is a private car park. It's only for authorised access only. It's people's personal vehicles. It's all about the economic human rights there. In terms of we all have the right to it. I might put on this uniform. I take it off, I go home. We all have the right to a private life, don't we?
Of course.
All right.
Yeah. So
you're from Redditch or no?
No. So whether I did, it's the same, really.
Yeah.
Oh,
We were
right.
just more seeing why you were doing it, just so we ensure our own safeguarding as well.
Yeah, sure. All right. Okay. Well,
right.
it's all in public anyway, so.
No, that's all. I was just coming out for a chat.
No, you didn't. Well, I don't know. You sounded like trying to make it look like if I did, it's like it's a
No, you
big
didn't.
deal.
No, it is just our safeguarding as people as well, because they are our private cars. And like the colleague said, a lot of people don't like us.
Who?
A lot of the public don't like us.
Why?
Because we're police officers, they think we're just a uniform. They forget that we're a person behind the uniform.
No, right.
And
Okay.
when we go home, like we said, yes, we are still officer, but we also are a human being. And some people target police officers. So that's what we were asking.
You don't think you said some people don't like you. Is that maybe the way you're projecting yourselves? No.
It's hard to say, isn't it? Everybody's right. Everybody's entitled to their own opinion, aren't they?
No. You said people. You didn't say some people. You said people don't like you. Do you think it's maybe time to change the way you?
I'm perfectly happy with how I police.
No, in general.
I think I'm a good guy.
I think we come across quite fair.
It's like, say for example, I wear
Come
a.
out and had a nice chat with you. I haven't been aggressive. You haven't been aggressive back to me. We've had.
Oh no.
But like we've had a nice conversation. That's how I like to police.
Yeah. Say for example, I'm wearing a red jacket, and people like in the street, I notice that people don't like it. I'll probably try and change that red jacket. I'll probably wear a blue one. Does that make sense?
Yeah, I understand what you're saying in terms of that, but
Yeah.
what would a world without police be? Without law and order?
Oh, it'll be a disaster.
So as
I think it'll be a disaster.
So as
Yeah.
much as people say like as you said there, can't you change it? I will try and do my bit as much as that to see how I want the police to be reflected. So I will constantly try and do that to the best of my ability.
Yeah, of course.
At the level I am, I can't make universal changes,
Yeah, of
but
course.
I can just present things the way.
This section turns unexpectedly philosophical. The officer argues that without police, society would fall apart. And she's not wrong, but the conversation exposes something deeper. Police want respect, but the public wants accountability. Both sides want safety. They just don't trust each other's version of it.
Yeah, well, that's what I was doing. I just got in here, started writing, that, and
Okay.
so I'm saying, I'm literally just here for 2 minutes. I think that woman was probably paranoid or something.
That's fine. We sorted it. It's all safeguarded in it.
Huh?
Everybody's safe. Everybody's happy. That's the main thing in life, isn't it?
Call it
Yeah,
professional
yeah.
curiosity.
Yeah, she should have asked me. Why you call her 2 police officers? I know she didn't call you because you just turned up.
No, it's because
But she
obviously
definitely called her.
we're videoing.
Yes.
We've got body-worn video.
Oh, glad you said it. I was
So-
just about to tell you, how
We've
come
got
you're not telling
body-worn
me?
video. This
Mine's
whole
on standby, I'm not
conversation-
recording.
This
You're not
whole
recording.
conversation is obviously video.
Yeah.
She hadn't got one on her, so she didn't want to approach you to
Ah.
speak to you about it because obviously there was no documentation of anything.
I see.
So
All right.
that's why I've just come down.
Cool.
Okay.
All right.
Oh,
been
there's
nice
a
chatting
saw
with you,
in the
mate.
middle of
Yeah.
the road, so I'm going to go and get the saw.
Okay.
Apparently there's a saw in the middle of the road down there, so I'm just going to go and get that.
A saw.
Yeah, apparently it's fallen off a truck, so I'm just going to go and get that.
Well, let's go and get it.
Be
Right,
careful.
thank you.
Yeah. Take care,
See
officer.
you later.
And you, Bob.
I'm just going to walk over and get it out of the road.
Yeah. I'll do it with you, so that way you're safe. You stopped recording.
Yeah.
Cool. A saw? I didn't see a saw.
Apparently it's fallen off a truck,
Oh, right.
so I might as well go and have a look.
Like a hand saw.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's weird.
You don't want that to pop in the eye, do you? 'Cause that's possible.
Nah. I don't think it. Yeah. It probably wouldn't pop anybody's tire. But maybe somebody would use it to to break into your station.
Let's hope not, 'cause that's going to cause me issues, isn't it?
I didn't see a saw, I must say.
Well, I'm going to cross the sail of the pavement,
Yeah.
so don't fancy getting hit by a car.
No, we don't want that. Let's record the saw.
Now, things calm down. The auditor asks for a tour. The officer politely declines, explaining the station's access rules. This is a rare civil ending to what could have been a volatile encounter. Notice how tone and respect keep the situation from spiraling Sometimes it's not what you say, it's how you say it. Nice.
The police force, lady. Don't mind me calling you lady.
No, of course not.
Sorry, what's your name?
Aston.
Aston. How long have you been in the police force?
3.5 years.
All right,
I used to take the 999 calls.
Really?
Yeah, I used to, you know, when you go through dispatch like 999
Yeah,
police.
yeah, for the police.
Yeah, I used to take all those calls. I did that for about 2.5.
And you decided to become police after
So-
hearing all the stories and...
I think hearing it's sometimes worse than seeing it, so yeah.
Really?
Yeah. I like to help people when I can and
Oh, that's
try
good,
and
that's
do what
good.
I can to help someone if
I
I
bet-
can make their day slightly better and easier.
I bet you heard a lot of things and working in
Unfortunately so. But
Where is this so?
I'm going to cross the island so I can do a loop.
Oh, that's not very safe. Quick. Say again?
You local?
No, I'm not. I'm from, what am I? From Oxfordshire.
Oh, okay.
I'm not local. Ooh, what is that?
Only rabbits, so we can probably-
Somebody selling these or? Anyway, who reported about the saw?
That lady, you know, that wound down the window.
Oh, yeah,
Said,
yeah.
By the way, there's a saw on the island.
Not the same lady that's...
No, just a member of the public, obviously, that's come by. As I've been stood there talking to you, so
Yeah.
it's only down the road. I can walk rather than drive.
Yeah, that's true.
Get on my electric bike.
You just don't want me to get your registration. Nah, honestly, no.
Come on, Marco.
You know, most of us are not interested in registrations, to be honest.
You don't have to tell me.
I won't give you my name, but people call me AB.
I do, I can call you ID.
Yeah.
I've been talking to you 10 minutes, so
Yeah, most people call me AB. You said your name is Aston.
yeah.
Is that your first name?
No, my second name.
Oh, second name. Oh, whoa. Oh, you're only giving me what I'm
no,
entitled to. You found where?
Orange bit in the middle of the road there.
What? Where? Oh, yes.
Just down the grass for me, I don't want to.
Yeah, don't worry. Be careful as well. Stop. Sorted.
Sorted. Don't want that going into anybody's.
The saw moment. This random twist, an officer suddenly chasing a saw in the road, adds a dose of real-world chaos. You can hear how the conversation shifts from legal debates to everyday policing, and the auditor, still recording, still calm, still in control of the narrative.
Yeah, no, you won't pop any tires. But, yeah.
Walked down here where you left your car somewhere.
I walked.
Walk.
Yeah. So I'm just gonna go back to the station.
Yeah.
I'm just gonna look around because I don't think it's ever been filmed before, to be honest. Because it's brand new.
I don't actually know. I know there's been some people
Try to? What do you mean by try
I
to?
don't know whether they have filmed. I don't know because I wasn't on duty.
What, like they got battered or something?
No.
What do you mean by try to? You said try to.
Try to have done.
Oh. I've not seen it online, no. So yeah, just share it around. That's Redditch's new police station. Because the old one went boom. Go.
Just watch out the road, sweetheart. They do come round this corner.
Oh yeah, I forgot to film the saw. Yeah, if anybody recognises this saw, if it's yours, come and get it. I doubt it. It's all. I think it's damaged. Yeah, she did it.
So I'll put that into the box then.
Alright, PC Aston, you have a lovely day.
And you, sweetheart, you take care.
Yeah.
Good to meet you, baby.
Yeah, lovely meeting you. I'll see you later. Be safe. Right. So now we'll give you a quick tour of the new station. So we got a fire station and a police station together. They don't have many cameras. I think I've noticed about 3 or 4 so far, and they're all pointing. They're not pointing into the road, so. So that's that. We got a lovely seating area here. Oh, some. Oh, I can actually see through the. I'm not going to film in. I'm just going to see what I can see. I can definitely. I can definitely see some screens. Yeah. Oh, you fire or you police?
Fire, what do you want?
Oh, you're the fire. Just walking around, my friend.
Okay.
Just be careful of them screens, though.
Yeah, we'll do.
All right. Oh. So that's the fireman. Oh no. No. Oh, bloody hell. Is there like a nest somewhere? No. See, if that's the police, that you cannot see through the windows, but you can see through the fire station. All right, who we got here? Let's see if what's his name? PC Bully Boy is here. He's not. I heard he became a sergeant, believe it or not. Yeah. So that's the thingy here the police officer was talking about.
So what did we learn here? A simple camera can flip the script, turning routine policing into public accountability. The auditor stayed calm, witty, and legally sharp, while the officers managed to keep it professional despite their suspicions. Encounters like this remind us why transparency matters. If you found this breakdown as intense and fascinating as we did, hit that like button, share your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more real-life body cam breakdowns every week.